Hi, in this video I'm going to unboxing or unpackaging the Livestream Gear Dual Device holder. So this is the device I've got from Amazon. So it comes with a box that the Amazon grab in. They have some padding, air padding right here. And apart from that, there's no box on this packaging. So it's got the Livestream Gear. Just put it in the bag like so. So this is where it is. So we can open up the Ziploc bag and we can pull out this Livestream's dual device holder. It's got some information inside the bag right here. So I'll put this to the side. It's got the easy turn. So this is a guide. So action mount guide. So it tells you how to use it. So some more other parts from Livestream Gear. So they are also selling all this stuff as well. What else do they have? So just a product review and thanks for the order. So that's it. That's all this inside the bag. If you're getting one of these piece, make sure that you're going to get a tripod as well or something to hold, because when you look at the pictures on Amazon, you can see that they actually shows the tripod in the pictures, but if you look carefully in the descriptions, the tripod is not included. So by looking at pictures, sometimes you may make mistakes and you just order this holder and there's nothing to hold on to it. Well, you kind of can hold on to that, but especially if you can get a tripod to hold on to it, it'll be a lot easier. And yeah, so you know, if you order this home and then you have to order the tripod separately, you might have to wait another week or two. So depending on where you live, if you live in the United States, then you probably get shipping really quick. But if you live overseas, it can take a while. So when you order this one, make sure that you also order the tripod. And basically that's all it is inside this package. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.